Hey guys, what's going on? It's the weekend. And I am buttoning up a couple of small things on the disgusting. This thing should be going away pretty soon. One of my dilemmas is this custom center console. Every time a round guy gets in and out, not saying anything about David being round, but me, put a lot of pressure on the side of the center console, the flip up center console. And the problem with that is it has a really petite little hinge in the back. You can see right there. It's pretty fragile. The screws started to come loose just from me getting in and out the few times I've done it. So I figure over months or years of driving this thing, this is going to be as daily. Leaning on that thing and going into turns and stuff, there's a good chance that that's just going to tear off. So I'm going to put a little alignment dowels that I made on the lid right here that will line up on either side of the opening here. A couple different ways to do it would be something simple like whipping up a piece of billet and bolting it in there. I've got another way to do it that's going to be just as cool. So let me give you the hoedown on what I'm going to do. What I did was I found a couple of nylock nuts. They have a nice little contour to them. Shot them black. There they are right there. Found a couple of matching screws that will drop straight down inside of there so that when they're screwed in, they're not terribly ugly. They look kind of okay. But the dilemma here is finding the right spot to mount these without inadvertently drilling holes in the wrong place. It's all suede and leather in there, so I want to treat it with a little bit of respect. So let me get John McGann set up right here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the lid delicately. If it flips all the way back, it wants to damage stuff too. So we know that this is the furthest forward point. These are the outside points. So I'm going to tear this in 4 small pieces. I will then lay them here. So that is very close to the edge. So that's one side. So now I have basically marked the outside edge of where I want the bump stops to be, or the alignment of the bolts. Now I can gently lay it down, make sure it's centered. And there are the marks. Since I'm not really worried about it going front to back, I'm only worried about it going side to side. I will leave a little bit of a gap. Just make sure they're even. There we go. Doesn't look terrible. We'll line up right inside there and prevent it from falling off. Let's slap it back in. This is where you ask your friend to come over and hold this while you start the screw. Right. A little adjusting on it, and it goes right in there and locks down. Doesn't look terrible. Nice and safe. Because I used a nice clean polished style bolt with no sharp edges, it's not going to gouge up the leather in here. And I can lean on it now, getting in and out of the car. Handled. Okay, that's it for that little tech tip cheat, easy way to stop you from twisting the center console lid off of your custom center console if you have one. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Be sure and subscribe and share. Stay safe out there. See you next time.